Hi, and welcome to this quick demo on Gritto. Gritto is an all-in-one knowledge management sharing and collaboration platform for teams. We are currently in the early stages of development and are building out the fundamental building blocks of the platform. We've also been able to test it out in production with users. Currently, on Gritto, users can create an account using their Google account. In the future, they can even do it with an SSO account or a simple email. The first time a user creates an account on Gritto, they are prompted to download and install our Chrome plugin from the Chrome web store as shown here. Once they've successfully installed it and pinned it and finally successfully logged in with their account, they are good to go. Let me show you a quick demo using an account that I have already created. Once the user successfully logs into their Gritto account, they are shown a list of resources that they have added. These resources are basically links to any resource such as a document, a blog, a video, a Figma file, or anything that is accessible via URL. Let me show you how a user typically goes about adding these resources to their account. Assume that I'm working on Gritto as my project, and there are multiple files that I have working with. One could be a document with Gritto community guidelines. One could be a Figma file, and one could be my Trello board for project management. As I go through the board, I will see the option to save these files to my account. I simply click on Save to Gritto. And once that is done, I can add a tag which says Gritto project. Once that tag is successfully added, I can move to the next file, which basically is the work that I'm doing to update the landing page. I can click on Save to Gitto again, add a tag, and basically qualify this as part of one particular topic or project that I'm working on. If I go back and refresh my account, I will see both of these files that have been added. I have a filter capability on the resource wherein I can search via tags, or I can also search via privacy levels. When I say privacy levels, I can either save this resource as a public resource, which means anyone in my organization can search for it and find it on my profile, or I can keep it private, which basically means that this is only for my private consumption and nobody else can basically look at it. We also have a search feature wherein I can search for users and also for topics. Let's say that I have uh, one of my colleagues, Akshay. I search for that profile and click on it. I can basically, when I'm redirected to Akshay's page, I can see all the resources that he has added publicly. I can also basically add Akshay to my watch list by clicking on this button here. And in the future, when Akshay adds anything, any new resource publicly, I will see a notification here and be notified. Let me also show you a feature which is currently under development, which is known as collections. A collection is like a shared folder wherein multiple users as part of a team can be added and basically collaborate on getting all resources related to a team or a project in one place. Uh, the user can click on creating a collection, give it an icon, a name, a description, and a privacy level. Privacy level again can be public or private, depending on the team or the project itself. The team can choose this particular option. Once that is done, a user's collections are shown on the main page. These collections could be the ones that the user has created or has been added to. Let's take an example of do it yourself. We have dummy data here, but in the future, these resources can relate to the ones that we saw some time back, a Figma file, a Trello board, an analytics dashboard, or even a document. Here, if I wanted to add collaborators, I will click on this button to add users, search for these users and add them. Once this is done, I will see the list of collaborators on the right hand side. If I wanted, I could remove them. In the future, there will be permissions that I can give to these collaborators in terms of the ability to edit, comment, or view only. I can also, in the future, add the ability to have commenting by using tags for people and just basically getting the conversation going around any particular resource. I can, as a user, I can also edit or delete some properties of this collection. So yeah, that's it. That's where we are with this product right now. Hope to get good feedback from the YC team.